Okay, hello everyone. All right, so we're going to learn a lot about Git, but before we move ahead, I wanted to talk about a very useful thing in Git, which is Git help. So if you type in Git help and you hit enter, it's going to show you this documentation, and actually over here it tells you that these are common Git commands used in various situations. So it tells you, for example, clone, and it gives you a description of it. It tells you, for example, log, and it gives you a description of it. Now, the way you learn more about it, it actually tells you over here that you type in git help and then space and then the command you want to learn more about. So if I wanted to learn more about commit, I would say git help commit and then hit enter. And then it opens what's called a manual page. That tells me even more about git commit, the name, the synopsis, all the different options I could use with it, a description, just more information I can use with it. I can scroll or I can hit space to kind of move through this. And if I'm done and I want to quit, I can type in the Q key and it takes me back. Now, I'm going to clear my screen. The scroll back with Command K, or you can also use Control L, I believe, and that preserves your scroll back. Now, if you're familiar with man pages, right? So man pages allow you to also see, or the man command allows you to see man pages of different commands. So if I do man and let's say cd, it will tell me more about the cd command. I'm going to hit Q to exit. So you can also use man pages to learn more about the git command. And the way you do that, for example, we just did git commit, git help and then commit. If you wanted to use man pages to learn more about that, you use the command man and then space git, but with a dash this time around, and then commit. So before we did git help and then commit, if you want to use the man command, it's going to be man space git and then a dash and then the command commit. So if I hit enter, this is the same as doing git help commit. So I just wanted you to be aware of that because it's a nice place to learn more about the command, the public commands, common ones. But going forward, we're going to dive deep into all of them, and we're gonna learn a lot. Okay, so I'm going to hit Q to go back. All right, if you have any questions, please post down below. I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right then, bye bye.